Our first speaker of honor today is the President of the Republic of Slovenia, Dr. Nataša Pirc-Musar. Please.
En lep dober dan vsem skupaj. Hello everybody, dear President Duda, dear friend, distinguished representatives of economic associations and of Slovenian and Polish businesses. The place where we are gathered today is an inspiring venue. The competitiveness of Slovenian and Polish ski jumpers and their solidarity in difficult circumstances reflect everything that characterizes cooperation between Poland and Slovenia on many levels. Healthy competition, cooperation for the future, and solidarity. I am delighted to be able to welcome representatives of Polish and Slovenian businesses in this beautiful setting. The setting that symbolizes the human desire to go further. And we want the same for both Slovenia and Poland, allies and partners in the EU and NATO for 20 years. Together, let us fly even further in terms of competitiveness, economic ties, and resilience to threats of all kinds. Although Poland has been one of Slovenia's most important foreign trade partners for a number of years, ranking 9th in terms of both exports and imports, the prevailing view is that there are business opportunities in both countries that have yet to be explored. Slovenia may not have realized the full potential of the Polish market, and Slovenia might be a relatively small market for Poland, but Slovenia's excellent position for doing businesses with the Western Balkans should not be underestimated. The automotive industry is a very important part of Slovenia's bilateral trade with Poland. The Slovenian automotive cluster of car parts suppliers has been active in the Polish market for years. In addition, Slovenia has launched a joint project for the green and digital transformation of the Slovenian automotive industry called GREMO, Green Mobility. Many Slovenian companies are investing in new advanced technologies and developing their own innovative products and solutions. We encourage our Polish partners to integrate them in existing supply chains and in the development of advanced technologies for sustainable mobility. The same applies for the construction sector. I would like to mention the construction of the road and motorway network where some Slovenian companies, with their specific expertise and innovative know-how, can participate as subcontractors or suppliers in keeping with the policy of investment in green and smart mobility pursued both in Poland and in Slovenia. Transport and logistics are certainly two of the most interesting sectors where cooperation between Slovenia and Poland can be further strengthened. Here, let me mention the opportunities offered by the Port of Koper, which have been boosted by the establishment of a regular container train service between Koper and Wrocław. Yet further opportunities lie in the deepening of cooperation with Polish ports on the Baltic Sea. I am pleased to note that Polish visitors are becoming increasingly important for Slovenia's tourism. The growth trend in Polish tourist arrivals and overnight stays from 2021 and 2022 continued in 2023. More than 170,000 tourists from Poland visited Slovenia last year. Improving energy security has become a key priority for European Union member states in recent years, including for Slovenia and Poland, and increasing the resilience of the energy system is part of the accelerated green transition of key sectors of the economy. Like Poland, Slovenia is working to reduce its dependence on fossil fuels, in part by building a second unit of its only nuclear power plant in Krško. The people of Slovenia are expected to decide on this in a referenda later this year. When it comes to energy projects in Slovenia, we are open to cooperation with foreign companies. At the same time, Slovenian companies, some of which are at the front with their own technological solutions and innovations, especially in the field of renewable energy, can compete on foreign markets, including in Poland, by offering hardware, generators, panels, and other products. You know, I quite often say one sentence for the business, because we are here at the sports venue. I have to assent that the business, the entrepreneurs, are not competing on national championships. You are every single day competing in world championships. So that's what you are able and you are doing successfully every single day in Poland and in Slovenia. Both countries also face challenges in digitalization, especially in public services and the improvement of cybersecurity. Cyber threats, along with disinformation, are among the key threats of our time, and Slovenia wants to strengthen the resilience of its critical infrastructure against foreign cyber attacks and transfer knowledge to vulnerable region, the Western Balkans. To this end, we have established the Western Balkans Cyber Security Capacity Center together with our partner France. Slovenia greatly values cooperation with partner countries such as France and Poland, and the transfer of knowledge in building resilience against cyber attacks by malicious individuals or even state actors. In the context of the Recovery and Resilience Plan, the European Commission has provided significant support for member states to achieve their digitalization targets. Poland and Slovenia are both good at finding innovative approaches to new digital solutions and technologies. The meeting of presidents and business delegations is a good opportunity to explore further possibilities for cooperation in this field. And let me just conclude with something that is really very close to my heart. You probably do know that I am a kind of an IT freak, that I follow modern technologies and especially artificial intelligence. I used to be the information commissioner, totally dedicated to data protection, which is connected to modern IT every single day. And I will just tell you one story from United States of America. There was a guy who was surfing on Google trying to find a gorilla photo. And all of a sudden, among the gorilla photos, there was a photo of one Afro-American guy. So the algorithm behind was a kind of not doing the business okay. It was, in a way, stupid. And one of my friends said about the artificial intelligence, that the artificial intelligence is neither intelligent nor artificial. So there are all men and people behind it. And what Google found out at that time, that the algorithm, the artificial intelligence behind it, which was developing really fastly at that time already, it was 7 years ago, and they had to make corrections. And for some time, you were not able to search for gorilla photos on Google because the experts need to repair the mistake. What's the essence of this story? In Silicon Valley, in the United States of America, they realized really very soon that artificial intelligence should be developed by multifunctional teams. So it's not enough if you only have IT guys in the team. It's not okay if you only have men in the team. So you really have to be careful when you are developing a product which is going to be globally accessible, that you have men, women, black, white, different religions, different parts of the world, that the people should come and join the group to develop the artificial intelligence. And for cyber attacks, that's of significant importance, because the artificial intelligence can do a lot of good things, but can do a lot of bad things as well. And it's on us to be cautious, and it's on us to take every single measure needed to make a good product. And I'm pretty sure that Polish and Slovenian experts can make wonders, because the knowledge is there. It's in Slovenia and it's in Poland, and if we find synergies and common efforts, there is no way we can be worse. We can just be, and we will be, better. So thank you, Mr. President, especially to you, for joining us here in this business conference. It's often an added value, because the presidents can open the door, can make more publicity. That's our job. Andrej, thank you very much, and I wish you a pleasant stay again in Slovenia. Yesterday we had a wonderful day, and I wish this day will end the same way. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam President. Now it is our big honor.